Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today we are going to do reading from Amazing Science Oxford book. Class 4, open your science book and page number 10. Dear student, today we start from the next unit 2, and the topic name is Growth and Movement in Living Things. Dear student, in this unit, I explain about the living things are quite different from non-living things. The difference between living and non-living things on the base of things that living things can do, which non-living things cannot. We start from here. Living and non-living things. Living things are quite different from non-living things. They have characteristics which non-living things do not. Plants and animals are living things. They are alive. Rocks, stones, pebbles and sand are non-living things. Dear student, plants and animals are living things because they can eat, move, grow and breathe. But rocks, stone, pebbles and sand are non-living things because they cannot eat, move, grow and breathe. What living things can do? Living things eat. Plant can make their own food. Animals eat plant and other animals. Dear student, do you know about why plants make their own food? Yes, green plants have chlorophyll, and in the presence of chlorophyll and with the help of sunlight, plants can make their own food. The process name is photosynthesis, and the food product of plant is glucose. Living things breathe. They take in air to produce energy. The oxygen in the air changes the food inside their bodies to energy. Living things need energy for all other activities. Dear student, the process in which the living things take in air is called breathing. During breathing, they produce energy, and with the help of this energy, they perform all activities. Living things get rid of waste or unwanted things from the body. Dear student, the process in which the living things get rid of waste material from their body is called acceleration. Living things are able to move. Plants can move from some of their parts. Animals can move from place to place. Dear student, the process in which the living things moves from here to there is called locomotion. Living things grow. They increase in size. They become heavier. Living things can feel the changes around them. They can react to the changes. Now turn the page. Our next topic is movement. Movement in animals. Dear student, movement in animals are brought about by special body parts which are associated by muscles and bones. The animal moves in various ways. Movement in animals. Animals can have parts of their bodies. They can also move from one place to another. Animals have special body parts that help them to move. Fish have fins to swim in water. Birds and insects have wings to fly. Most animals like rabbits, monkeys and kangaroos have legs to walk, hoop, jump or crawl on land. Some large animals like dolphin, whale, shark and seals have flippers to swim in water. Dear student, here different animals are mentioned which move with the help of their body parts. For example, fish have fins to swim in water. This is fin. Dear student, birds and insects have wings. With the help of these wings, they fly in the air. Dear students, rabbits, monkey and kangaroos have legs to walk, hoop and jump. And dolphin and whale shark and seals have flippers, and with the help of flippers they swim in the water. Muscle make your body move. Some of your muscles are joined to the bones. The point where two bones fit together is called a joint. The framework of bones is called a skeleton. Bones move at the joints. Muscle help the bones to move by becoming short and fat. Dear student, not all animals have the same kind of body skeleton as humans. Insect and some other soft body animals have hard outer covering called exoskeleton. Dear student, muscle contract and relax, and this bring about body movement. This is joint where two bones meet together. Some animals do not have bones inside their bodies. They have a hard outer covering. Muscles are attached to it. The hard outer covering is called an exoskeleton. Ants and cockroaches are examples of creatures that have exoskeleton. Some animals like earthworm do not have any bones or exoskeleton. Their bodies are soft. They use their muscle to crawl. The body of a caterpillar is soft. It is filled with a watery substance. This water supports its body and helps it to move. Now, dear students, caterpillars have water inside their bodies and support them and help them to move. Worms have no bones or exoskeleton. Their bodies are very soft. They use their muscle to crawl. Dear student, this one is ant. Ant have exoskeleton.